We are trading futures once again live. Trading the S&Ps here. What is going on? Now we're currently getting a sell-off. Seems like a small sell-off after the huge rally yesterday. I think the plunge protection team really did pump the market in preparation of a massive sell-off here. But we are currently just waiting for the market to let us trade. We're allowed to trade at 9:45. Currently, it's not 9:45, so yeah. Pull up Chrome real quick. Nothing. Currently just waiting for the sell-off here. Excuse me. Save this here. Let's watch the NASDAQ real quick. NASDAQ also selling off right now. What if we pulled this up on the 512 time frame? Yeah, here on the 512, we are getting a sell-off here. I think I'm gonna remove this one like last time. And just the 3.5. Let's see what is. So right now the current volatility is 1.38. Looks like we need a trailing stop of about 5 or 4.8 basically. So 5, I have it set to 5. Some custom time frames. We can go to the 1600 chart here. It's for massive moves. I think I like the 512. I'm gonna stick to the 512. I'm gonna trade for a couple weeks with the 512, see what happens. 1600 is great for large trends, but I think we can afford that right now. But that is a little bit crazy. Set to 55. Yes, sir. Still have about 5 more minutes. Or, I mean, 7 more minutes, actually. We still have 7 minutes until our... Still have 7 minutes until we are allowed to trade. This was a beautiful down signal here, all the way up at 9 in the morning. So, yeah, beautiful down signal at 9:09 looks like. Let me see if I can put up the chart. That's fine. We don't really need to. Beautiful, beautiful downtrend right here. Would have captured a lot of the movement. Stop system 1. Change this to a regular stop. Stop system 1. Getting a little bit of a recovery now. Are getting a little bit of a recovery. I believe we would have gotten stopped out there. Sorry if I'm quiet. We are just waiting for a signal. Also waiting for being able to trade here. Waiting for the 9:45 so we are able to trade. Once the clock hits 9:45, we can place our first order. Yeah, look at this huge rally yesterday. Not that bad, right? Just waiting for a signal. Also waiting for 9:45 to turn on. Currently 9:42. We still have about 2.5 minutes until we are allowed to trade. Looks like we might get an up signal right now. We won't be able to take it if it happens right now. Still have about 1.5 more minutes till we are allowed to take this trade. Then again, it could always just bounce off. Waiting kind of patiently here. See the 1600 time frame. $1,600 still says this is a short. Let's stick to the... Said I was going to trade the 512. Still have about 30 more seconds, so we're allowed to trade. $1,600 says short. About 30 more seconds. Let's see what does the 512 say. $512 still waiting for a signal here. We're going to stick with the 512. Waiting for a signal here in the 512. Alright, we're allowed to trade now. Got the same highs. Close to making a new high here.
Order filled.
Getting filled there. Stops at 99.50. Entry was 425. We're getting long there on the E-minis here. Getting long there on the E-minis. Like I said, the like I said, the 1600 said to short, so I mean, I'm not sure how valid this signal will be. Just gotta let it breathe, let it play out. See, would we have gotten stopped out on the 1600? Gotten dangerously close to getting stopped out, but the 1600 would have still said to short. Let's go back to the 512. Let's see if this blows up or not. If this goes up a couple more ticks, then we were right about sticking to the 512. See this push up a little bit. Alright, looks like we were right about taking the 512 signal. Let's see this baby move. See this move a little bit. Stops now at 975 cents. Let's see if we can't get a push here. looks like we are currently getting a sell-off here. Still pretty flat since we entered in. Has not really moved that much. Maybe went up a handle. That's about it. Really just got to be patient. Let this trade work itself out. Really not liking this though. Broke past this high. Shame we were not allowed to trade right at 9:30. We could have taken this signal all the way down. Beautiful signal. Let's see this rally. Come on, let's go. Still have our stops at 975. So our stops at 975. This thing is so flat right now. It's trading sideways. Looking for it to make a move in either direction, whether we get stopped out or it takes a big rally. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Gonna send my Snapchat streaks. There we go. We're starting to get a little bit of a rally now. Moving our stops up to 902. Day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? See this baby push up a little bit more. No more pullbacks. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see this pump. See this pump. I've currently been in this trade for about 7 minutes now. Still pretty much flat. Still pretty much flat. Let's see this baby pump up. Let's go. All right, we're getting a little bit of a pump here. Looking good, looking good. In the hood. Almost at break even, not quite yet. Not quite yet. We still have 2 more handles to go to we're at break even. That's the goal. Let's make it to break even at least. Let's see this baby pump. Let's go. Let's see this bad boy. Pump. Let's go. Plunge protection team. Where you at? Where you at, boy? What's with this pump yesterday? Big pump last night. Trading sideways. Trading sideways. Getting a little bit of a sell-off before it rallies back up here. This could be one of those dead cat bounces. Now we're getting a sell-off. Probably going to get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Oh, God. Gonna get stopped out there. Looks like the momentum. That was a quick sell-off, too. Big momentum downwards. Didn't move enough in our favor. Gonna get stopped out there. A little bit frustrating. A little bit frustrating there. Getting stopped out there. We are now just waiting for it to give us another signal. Taking a little bit of a loss there. $100 loss there. Just waiting for another signal here. The speed was definitely in the downside there. Someone just dumped a ton. Someone or a group or something, just a lot of money just printed, short or selling off. You can see here the speed is downward. The upward movement is very slow, very grindy. Wow, we're gonna get another signal upward? Will this be in the 1600? 1600 wouldn't have taken any trades yet. Close to getting a new high here. I'm gonna have to take it if we do get the new high. Gonna have to take the signal. Alright, looks like we're about to get another signal here. I'm getting ready to jump in. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a sell-off now. Maybe that was the reset we needed before we pump. See what happens here. $100 loss. Damn. Let's see what happens here. See if we can't get another signal here. This is the last trade we're probably going to do for today. See what happens here. Just waiting for another signal. We're pretty much trading sideways right now. First signal was a failure. Not that big of a deal. We can just wait right now. That'd be great. Waiting for another signal here. I'm ready to take the next signal. Next spot seems to be either if it hits 650 for a new high. Oh, looks like we're about to get a new high here. Get ready to get a new high. We're getting ready. Okay, gonna take the signal there. Placing my order. See if we can't get filled at 650 there. Come on. Let's get filled there at 650. Move that up to 7. Really not going to get filled there? Come on, pull back, pull back. It's a little bit frustrating we're not getting filled there. Oh my god. This one's a runner too. Man. Can we get a pullback here? Oh my god, that's so frustrating. That is so frustrating. Oh my god. We get a pullback here. Looking to get long at 7. Pullback. Enter in on a pullback here. Ready to join in. Come on, come back. I'd like to get in at around 7. $6.50 ideally. Get some kind of pullback here. Oh my god, this thing's about to pop off. Need a little bit of pullback. Come on. Come on, baby. Pull back to get long here. I'm getting ready. Gonna place my bid there at 7. See if we can't get filled at 7 there. See if we can't get filled at 7 there. We're getting pretty close. 7 stops at 5. Oh my god. Not gonna get filled there. 750. Oh my god, come on, let's go. We're not gonna get it, I don't think. Damn. Hello? Hello?
Order filled.
Okay, I'm getting a call right now for... We're getting filled there at 7. Stops at 5. Looking for this to push up higher. So it looks like it's where we got stopped out. It's just right outside of the zone. For this to push higher. Just right outside the zone. Just outside of our zone here. Listen, if we didn't get stopped out here, this would have continued to rally. Just right outside of our zone. little bit frustrating, but we got to follow the rules. We got to follow the rules. Got to follow the rules here. Looking for this to push up higher, getting filled there on the pullback at 7 there. 625. It went down to, looks like 675, but we got filled in at 7. Not big of a deal. Pushing up to get newer highs there. Not bad. Hopefully this one's the runner that we were looking for. Getting stopped out there early just for it to rally back up. Getting another signal. I guess that's what they say when you can always buy back in. Better to get out of a losing trade. Cut it quick. But come on. Let's go. Let's go. Rally, rally, rally. You got this. God. They have another 2-handle at risk right now. 2 handles at risk. We're at the 905 areas. Our stop loss entries at 907. Just waiting for this to push up. Where's the highs of day? Can we push up to highs of day? 29.23. I mean, it's possible. It's possible. It has to trend in that direction for a long, long time. Long time. Let's go. Push, push, push. We can get it. We can get it. This is the last trade for the day. Gonna stop for the day here. Just gonna place 1 trade here. 2 trades total for the day. Then we're gonna call it quits. Honestly, it's a little bit disappointing that we are not getting out of this trade with a profit. If we don't get out of this trade with a profit, really just waiting for this to push up higher. We're trading so sideways right now. Really would like for this to push up. Can we get new highs of day? Can we push all the way up to 3,000? Can we get the 3,000 SPY? Come on. Come on. We can get the 3,000. We can get to 3,000. If you look here, I mean, like, only once in a while is there really a really big trend, and it seems to happen after market hours. You can see here, after market hours, right here, big dump. I think that was during market open. After market hours, after market hours, after market hours. Nothing really happens intraday anymore. Looking for this to push up. There we go. That's the push we were looking for. Stops automatically move to break even. Looking for this to push up even higher. See if we can get a big move now. Can we get a big move? Let's go, 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 go. Can we get a big move? Let's go. Stops are at break even. We're gonna stop here for the day. Whether this is a winner or a loser. Really don't want to keep trading. Yesterday I over traded. Started the day out winning, ended the day losing. So we're just gonna take 2 signals. That's it. That's all you need. You just need 2 signals. If it's not trending, it's not trending. Just going to take 2 signals here. I think this is also a signal on the 1600 chart, if I'm not mistaken here. Let's see, on the 1600. Oh, we're very close to getting a signal on the 1600 chart. It's perfect. That means we would have gotten in early. Good thing we did not short back here. We were thinking about shorting because the signal was still valid short once we got in. Looking for this to break new highs on the 1600 here. Not looking good. But might get stopped out at break even here. 512, back to the 512 where we got the original signal. Stop still at break even. We're getting a little bit of a pullback now down in the 908 area. Stops at 907. Entry also at 907. Looks like we're going to get stopped out here. Only handle away from our stop loss. Getting a sell-off here. Not ideal at all. Really want this to just push up here. But it looks like we're not going to get there. It looks like we're going to get stopped out here. Not that big of a deal. We'll just stop for the day. See if this gets a V-shaped recovery. If not, we're going to get stopped out here for sure. Looking like we are going to get stopped out. It's dangerously close to our stop loss. Only 2 ticks away from our stop loss here. We are going to get stopped out. Come on. No. It can recover. Can you recover? I doubt it. Momentum's so strong on the downside.
Stop filled.
Looks like we're going to get stopped out there. At break even. It's a little bit disappointing. Not going to lie. $1,600 chart, we would not have even gotten a signal yet. Would still be waiting for a signal on the 1,600 chart. Kind of crazy if you think about it. Markets are too choppy today. Markets are too choppy. Watch this rally now. All right, looks like we're going to have to end the stream there for today. Don't want to take too much of a loss. Going to stop there. We'll trade again Monday. Hopefully we get some trending markets. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll catch you next time.